Go. You put in the cart? Tara kami. Nakapaglaro sila. So malapit. Tuwan-tuwa siya. Oo. Don't touch it. Don't, nag-enjoy talaga si Ryle, as in. Nakakatuwa si Ryle. Ang gulo. There you go. You go. Holiday kasi, King's Day pala dito. So, ayun. Kaya ang daming bata. Galing-galing na mag-English. Come on! Come on! You jumping?
Yeah.
You? Oh, come here. Oh, what? Oh! It's danger! Very dangerous. So, later he said this,
Be careful tomorrow, 2 hours.
I didn't see little bao. Yan si Ray. Nag-enjoy talaga siya, as in. Grabe, katuwa ni Ray. It's better like that. He play with kids.
Yeah.
Not only mamu. Gadang weather, oh. It's different kind of house, right? Where our house?
I don't know, this is something from this one now. Like this one now.
Yeah, this one. It almost the same but not like this. Ito yung klase ng mga dito, bahay dito sa loob ng resort. Ayan.
179,000.
Price?
Yes.
It's nice.
It's just expensive. Yes.
Ito yung tinitira namin, halos ganito. Ito yung tinitira. Pero wala ito. It's almost the same, right? The house, our house now. Ayan. Ganyan. Tapos 3 kwarto sa loob. Iba't ibang model. Pero yung nasa tabi ng ng resort mismo, yung mga glass house, halos lahat.
It's expensive, huh?
Hindi pala kami nagbabayad. Yung boss ni Josawa, libre pa bahay pala siya. Sorry. wrong vlog ako nung nakaraan. Hindi pala kami nagbabayad. So yun, guys. Huh?
We go to this house.
No, we don't need to go there. Why? Ang daming nagbabakasyon. That house nice, oh. Small but nice, oh. Look, yeah, that's one. Here's the bowling.
Here's swimming pool.
Swimming pool?
Yeah.
We can go swimming. With little bao? We have no clothes. You didn't tell us. Which house? This one? Now, who live there? Dito pala yung unang bahay ni Josawa. It's nice, oh. It's nice model, right? Ayun yung playground pala doon. Okay. Ang ganda ng house dito.
Milom! Stop!
This is all nice. Small but nice. Ang ganda ng bahay dito, guys. Maliliit siya pero ang ganda. Ang lawak-lawak niya, guys. Sobra. So, ang dami pang bahay sa loob-looban. Ayun pala, may gate pala siya. May ano siya. May mga bakod, may hangganan. Pala ko di siya safe. Napaka-nature ng lugar. Ito, ginagawa pa lang. Tapos pa siguro ito. Umikot na kami ni Rail dito sa kabilang park na to. Pero dito hindi pa ang nangarating. Ngayon pa lang. Sangre. Hi!
Hi. Hi.
Ano? This personal house?
Huh?
This is a personal house?
Somebody boy.
Kasi dito, guys, pwede kang bumili ng bahay.
Somebody runs into the house. Yun sa kabilang side, oh. Gaganda. Ayan. Mga pinaparent nila dito. Pwedeng bilhin, pwedeng i-rent. Pero napakamahal na, guys, as in. Anong lugar as... Parang pag tumira ka sa ganito, napakabongga. Ang ganda. Tapos, napakatahimik pa. Nature talaga siya. Guys, ganda ng lugar, as in. When I stop here,
Ito ng place.
when people
Ha? Ito nyo, ang ganda. Ganito yung namin, tinitiran namin dito. Tapos ayun na yung pinaka front gate.
Bungalow park, bungalow park.
Say hi. Jerail. Hi, nag-hi naman. Hi. Say hi! Ay, saray. Ayan naman. Nakatawa. Hello. Yung mag-ama ko. There's a car. There's a car. Hindi mo. Nakikita ang bata na yun, kalaro ni Ryle.
Ja, but when I started to steal the football house, this one. 2 years ago. 2 years ago. 2 years ago.
Hi! Ayun. Nagayang bata. Ang cute. Ayun na kami. Malapit na kami sa gate. May nagwa-barbecue dito. Ayun. Careful ah. There's a bike. It's very nice.
It's not hard.
I like to live here.
It was maybe this 1, 2, 3, 4 or 6 house. Now it's
This one is new.
yeah, this is maybe 3 years. This house of 3 years.
Maybe somebody already buy the others.
I think
Yeah.
little buy, little is for rent, you know.
Maybe they credit bank loan. Ang ganda ng lugar as in talaga guys. Tapos nakaka-inspire yung mga bahay dito. Ang ganda.
Nou is not in mijn house.